In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change paragraph spacing on Squarespace. If your text feels cramped or too spread out, adjusting paragraph spacing and line height can make a big difference in readability and overall design. I'll walk you through the exact controls you need and explain what each setting does so your paragraphs look clean, consistent, and on brand. Start by opening your website in the Squarespace editor so you're looking at a page where you can see your text. In the top right corner of the editor, click the paintbrush icon. This opens the style controls for your site. Think of this panel as your design toolbox. Everything you change here updates the look of your content in one place, so it's fast and consistent. Inside this style panel, select Fonts. This is where Squarespace groups all typography options. Even though we're not changing your font family today, this is exactly where the spacing controls live. Fonts isn't just about typefaces. It also manages how text behaves and breathes on the page. Next, choose Paragraphs. This section controls the default styling for your body text site-wide. When you open Paragraphs, you'll see options for things like size, line height, and paragraph spacing. Line height controls the space between lines within the same paragraph. A slightly taller line height improves readability, especially for longer blocks of text. Paragraph spacing adjusts the space before or after each paragraph, creating visual separation between one paragraph and the next without needing extra blank lines. As you adjust these sliders or values, watch the live preview on your page. Aim for a line height that feels comfortable. Often somewhere in the 1.5 range works well for most fonts, but trust your eye and the needs of your content. Then tweak paragraph spacing so each paragraph has a clear beginning and end without looking disconnected. A touch of extra spacing helps readers scan more easily and keeps your layout from feeling heavy. Keep consistency in mind. Because these are paragraph styles, your changes will apply across the site wherever paragraphs are used. That's a good thing. It keeps your design cohesive. If you use different page sections or templates, glance at a couple of pages to make sure your spacing still feels balanced. Also consider how your text flows on smaller screens. Subtle spacing usually translates better across devices than extreme values. And that's it. By opening your site, clicking the paintbrush icon, selecting fonts, choosing paragraphs, and adjusting line height and paragraph spacing, you've made your text more readable and your design more professional in just a few moments.